Skills Test, Units 11 and 12. Exercises 3 and 4. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the possibility of finding life on Mars. Mars is our closest neighbor, and similar to our planet in many ways. But so far, scientists have never discovered any kind of life on Mars. Not even the smallest, simplest kind of life. The bad news is that we're still a very long way from really finding out any answers. It is believed that there was once a lot of water on Mars, which may have supported life. However, that water is now very difficult to find because it exists only in the form of ice or under the ground, where it is difficult for us to look at. Scientists have recently discovered evidence of a gas on Mars called methane, which appears and disappears suddenly. It is thought that bacteria, tiny life forms, may be producing this, and this bacteria may be trapped in water underneath the ground. Why do scientists think this? It's because most methane on Earth is produced by animals. So if it's appearing on Mars too, then that may be a sign of life. In 2019, we will have sent a new robot to Mars, which might be able to answer lots of these questions and dig deep beneath the planet's surface. Until then, some interesting research is being done here on Earth. About 30 years ago, a rock was found in Antarctica, a place where no animals live except by the sea, and very few plants can grow. This rock, it was thought, came from Mars 17 million years ago, flying through space and landing on our planet. Scientists discovered that the rock had tiny little shapes on it, which looked very similar to the shapes that bacteria might make. Although scientists do agree that the rock actually did come from Mars, no one can agree on what the small shapes were caused by. In North Yorkshire, in the UK, there is a very large underground system stretching for 1,000 kilometers under the land to under the sea, about 1 kilometer deep. It's called the Bulby Mine. And it's known that 250 million years ago, there was seawater in this underground system. However, this water disappeared, just like it has on planet Mars. When the water went away, it created unusual shapes in the rock. And again, we can see similar shapes in the rocks on Mars. Scientists have recently been spending time deep in the Bulby Mine, searching for signs of life. Basically, nothing much can live so deep underground, where there is little oxygen, no light, no water, and lots of salt. Only small bacteria can survive, bacteria that has somehow lived there for millions of years. But the important point is, if it can be found here, then it might exist on Mars too, where the environment is very similar. In a few years, we may find out whether there really is life on Mars. Until then, scientists will continue looking here on Earth for clues.